Hi, my name is John Clark. I'm a writer. It feels funny to say that. I am a professional writer. It feels even funnier to say that. Why? Well, every time I click New on Microsoft Word, I stare at a blank screen with a flashing cursor. If you're prone to imposter syndrome, and we all are in some moments, that's when it often arrives. In American classrooms and homeschool living rooms, high school students are casually assigned with writing projects. That almost seems unfair. Why? Because writing is hard. I have written over 500 magazine articles, several full length high school courses, and numerous speeches for American candidates for the House, Senate, and President. I've ghostwritten a handful of full length books and written 4 books under my own name. But let me tell you something, none of it was easy. Teachers may not tell you, but writing is hard, and writing well is almost impossibly hard. But here's the good news, it can be done. It is possible to learn how to write well. In the following series of short videos, I'm going to show you a few techniques that will help you write A-plus high school papers. Even if you've always struggled with writing, especially if you've always struggled with writing, I believe these short videos can help you immensely. And you can take it from me, because in addition to doing a little writing, I've graded over 10,000 high school essays in the past few years. I know what works, and I know what should earn you a good grade. And I want to help you do just that. Before you even click for lesson 1, let me begin with a quote that I want you to remember as you're learning and as you're writing. It comes from St. Francis de Sales. Here it is. Have patience with everyone, but especially with yourself. If you're patient with yourself, and you can apply these simple rules, you're going to achieve some very high grades in your papers. All right, let's begin.